Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to use the SMA indicator to trade binary options. So let's do the configuration. Go to your indicator settings, click on SMA, you edit it to SMA13. Let's change the color to green and let's make the line thicker. I think that will do. So that's the first SMA13. For the second SMA, you come back to your indicator settings, click on SMA, you reduce the period to 5. Let's change the color to purple. Let's make it thick. That's it. So in this strategy, we only make use of the SMA5 and SMA13. So how does this strategy work? Whenever the purple SMA, which is SMA5, crosses the green SMA upward, you open an up trade with, and the same way when the purple SMA crosses the green SMA downwards, you open a down trade, and your candle time frame should be 1 minute. Use 1 minute candlestick. Then your trade time should be 1 minute as well. 1 minute. So now what we have to do is to look for signal. Let's look for signal to test our strategy. If you don't have a trading account to practice this strategy, you can create one by following the link in the description of this video. After creating the account, you'll be rewarded 10,000 US dollars to trade in your demo account. Thanks for watching, and remember to subscribe and like this video. Bye.